Hi everyone. A few students have told me that they're having trouble finding the answers for the Unit 1 assignment. So I'm going to just show you and make sure we're all seeing the same thing, and I'm hoping that this will help. So I am in Part B of our American Lit course, and I am in Unit 1, Poetry of the Modern Period. And a lot of students are saying they're having trouble answering the questions on this 1.29, 1.02 worksheet. So where to find the answers? All of the answers should be right here in the 1.02 introduction, which means you need to click on the first one here, lesson introduction, and go through all of them. So I'm just going to show that to you. And you should be working in Firefox. It seems like the OLS works best in Firefox. Okay. All right, so here I am in the very beginning here. This is page 1 of 3. So make sure you're kind of clicking through. There's not really anything here quite yet. Okay. All right. Poetry at the turn of the 20th century. Okay. A lot of the answers are in here. Okay. So make sure that you're kind of clicking through when you see like multiple parts kind of coming up on the screen that you're clicking through. We're on page 2 of 10 here. There's a video that's going to pop up here. Seems to be popping up quite yet. There it is. All right, make sure if you see a video that you watch it. If you look here, it says Learn Poetry at the Turn of the 20th Century. It says Timeline. Make sure you click on that. Because there are answers here on the timeline. If you click on here, you can see the different years. Next page. All right. If you click on this modernism chart, and then you click on these lines here, you get a lot of the answers that are on the worksheet from these. We've got another video here. Some answers here. Remember, this is the wasteland here. I would click on that. Scroll down. There's nothing there. Oops. Okay. And you should be able to find all the answers using all of those links in the course. If you are still having trouble after seeing this, remember, make sure that you are watching, or I'm sorry, not watching, but that you are using the Firefox browser. If you're still having difficulty, please let me know.